What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Trevin Peterson and I'm super excited about today's video because I'm doing this one for you. I did a little Instagram poll and you guys said you wanted to see Amazon FBA videos. So as you guys can see right here, if it focuses, 64% of you guys said that you wanted to see an Amazon FBA related video. So here it is, and this one's for you guys. So what I decided to talk about today is something super important that is literally applicable to everyone, but more so for the people that are looking to start selling on Amazon or beginners just starting to sell, okay? And that is my biggest piece of advice that I can give to you when first starting to sell on Amazon. So with all the experience background that I have as a six-figure Amazon seller, I want to basically give that to you because this is something that I wish I would have done and would have been told when I first started selling, okay? So I'm actually going to give you guys the piece of advice, and then I'm actually going to show you how to apply that advice, okay? So it does one thing to gain the knowledge and to basically learn, but you guys actually need to go and actually do and take action, because if you don't, then it's going to be very difficult to actually understand and actually see results. And for me, at least, when I actually go out and do something, that's when it gets engraved into my head and it just becomes like second nature to go and research a product or to launch a product or to talk to a manufacturer or whatever it may be. So that's what I want to do, is actually show you how to take action on the advice that I'm about to give you. And let's just dive right into it. And I just want to kind of be blunt and transparent with you guys. And if you guys don't know me already, that's what I am. I don't like beating around the bush. I just like basically being transparent with you. So if you guys want to get to know me a little bit better, go on Instagram, give me a follow. It's at Trevin Peterson right here. And also check out my YouTube channel. I go over a bunch of other videos that show you how to create basically passive income online using your laptop or your phone. So it's kind of fun. I love what I do. I'm very passionate about it, and that is why I have the YouTube channel, is I want to help you guys. So I hope that you guys get some value out of this video. So the biggest piece of advice that I can give you is to get started and get your feet wet. So as dumb as that may sound, that is literally the most important thing that you can do. So like I was saying, if you don't take action, you can never see any results. So now what we're going to do is we're going to dive into my computer screen, where I'm actually going to show you guys hands-on of how to get your feet wet and start selling on Amazon. Because that is the most common question that I get, is how do I start, where do I start, and how much money is it going to cost for me to start? Okay, so for those exact three questions, I created a free Amazon FBA mini course that is going to help you guys answer those questions. It's going to get your feet wet. It's going to give you guys the basic foundation and set you up for success, so that if you do decide after you go through that course, this process, that you want to pursue it and take this serious and create a six-figure business like I did, then you're going to want to get a coach, get a mentor, and actually take a full course that goes into detail of everything that you need to know, okay? So for this little process, I'm going to do a screen sharing, and right here we're on Amazon, and I'm just going to show you guys how you guys can basically get your feet wet with as little as $100 to then decide if you like Amazon, if it's a good fit for you, if you like the process, if you like how everything works. And if you do, then like I said, go get a course, go get a mentor, and then take this thing serious and invest your life savings, if you will, okay? So I'm going to show you a product that I started selling when I first started my Amazon FBA journey, and that is an Android keychain charger. So right here, it's a tassel keychain where you can plug it into an outlet, and then you always basically have the charger with you. It's a little keychain, and it's not the best product, but it was the perfect beginner product for me. Okay, so the reason why I say it's a perfect beginner product is it's low competition, it's low demand, so obviously you're not going to make $1 million off of this product, but it's going to help you guys understand the whole process of how Amazon FBA works. And the reason I say that is like I said, you want to really take this thing hands-on, learn things hands-on, because when you learn it hands-on, you understand the whole concept and the logistics of Amazon. And then you feel more comfortable investing in a course or investing more money in a product, and you feel more comfortable with the whole business model of Amazon. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a product similar to this that's cheap, that's easy to manufacture, that's easy to basically get shipped to your house and then up to Amazon to then start selling and hopefully make some money. Or if it fails, then you're only out $100. But for this product, I literally ordered 25 units, okay? So I found it and I was like, oh, okay, this might be a good product. It's very low risk. I'm just going to order it. I ordered 25 units. I understand the whole process of working with a manufacturer, how that whole process works, how ordering a product works, to then shipping it to my house or shipping it straight to Amazon, to make sure that I have the correct labels, the warning labels on it, the packaging, all that stuff, okay? So as complicated as that may seem, once you go and actually go through the process, it gets a whole lot simpler. So that's why I recommend to actually get your feet wet and to find a cheap product, to just go and test and see if it's if you like it, okay? So that's what you want to do, is you want to do something that you're passionate about, that you love. And if you don't like the process of Amazon, then there's another business model that you may like better. So what we're going to do is, we found the product. I'm going to go to Alibaba. I'm going to search it. And just like that, there's a ton of different keychains that come up. And I'm just going to scroll down, and right here is a tassel keychain similar to the one that I was selling. And you can order one piece, and it ranges from $1.05 to $1.15, okay? So let's say we order 25 pieces like I did, and after shipping, it's going to be $50. So $50, and you have 25 units to basically understand the process of how to find a product, to then order the product, to then get it manufactured, to then ship it to the Amazon fulfillment center. So that's what I did. I ordered this product and I shipped it, and over a span of a month or two, I was able to sell all 25 units. And what that did is, I made $5 for each unit I sold. So 25 times by 5 is 125. And then I had that $50 that I originally invested. So now I have $175 to work with, that I can go try a different product. Or maybe it failed, then go grind a little bit, find different ways to make money, sell something on eBay, sell your old clothes on Poshmark or eBay or whatever it is. Build up some capital, because then once you feel comfortable ordering a bigger, order, then you can use your savings and your money, and you feel comfortable because you understand the process. So that is my advice to you, is to go find a cheap product, create a seller account, get it manufactured. So reach out to someone on Alibaba, find something fairly inexpensive. So right here, $1 a unit plus shipping. And something that you can do is, you can search it, and then minimum order, you can put under 100, or you can go to DHgate, and we have right here, you can order them for 75 cents, 99 cents, which is free shipping. Right here, same thing, it's the tassel, so $1.30. You can order 20 pieces, and it's free shipping. Or you can go to AliExpress, which I don't recommend as much as I do DHgate and Alibaba. But those are 3 different sourcing websites that you can find basically products that you don't have to order 1,000 units. You can basically test it, get your feet wet, understand the process, see if you enjoy it, and if you do, then you can go invest in yourself, into more education, more knowledge, and then with that knowledge, you can find a bigger, better product to then spend a couple $1,000s on, okay? So that is what I want you guys to do, is I want you to get started, take action today, go get that free FBA mini course, where it's going to basically take you step by step of how to create an account, to finding a profitable product, to then getting a manufacturer to ship it to the Amazon fulfillment center. So there are a lot of details. I don't want to bore you too much, but I want you guys to get excited, and I want you guys to take advantage of the opportunity that you guys have at your feet to start creating a passive income online. I still can't believe where I'm at right now, because if you would have approached me 2 years ago and told me that I was going to be where I'm at right now because of Amazon, I would have laughed and I wouldn't have believed it. And that's what everyone else thinks now. When I tell them what I do for work, I tell them that I sell on Amazon, and they kind of think that it's some joke, but little do they know that I'm actually being successful, that I'm making more money than I was with my 9-to-5 job. I dropped out of college, I quit my 9-to-5 job, I'm able to drive the cars that I want, to live in the house that I want, and I'm able to live the lifestyle of my dreams because I have the flexibility thanks to the business model of Amazon FBA. So get started. That is my biggest advice to you, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really do. And if you did, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and also leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you want to see any particular video, because I want to help you guys out, and I really am doing this for you because I feel extremely blessed to be in the situation that I am in today. So again, go down and get the free course, go through it, understand the process, do it hands-on, and then go in and invest your money, whether it's your life savings, your money that you literally grinded for 6 months, to then order that big bulk product that will then create that passive income online that you have always dreamed of. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and we will see you in the next video.